Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. What's inside? Let's find out. Cool. So this is a new packaging from the folks that bring you Pozole ramen. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the company. Cielo? Packaging looks nice. I've had this before. Maybe it's a little different though. I think it might be. I don't know, but I'll definitely do re-reviews of this one. And they've also got a Menudo variety. Yeah, these were really good. The seasonings are nice. They've got nice rich flavors, and yeah, I noticed on the other one, see there it says add. I'm thinking maybe they're talking about adding cucumber and vegetables and other stuff in here, which sounds great. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I remember I liked them the last time I had them, so we'll see what's going on here. Well, thanks to Andy over at Cielo for sending these over. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I like being able to try things that are from all over the world, and this sounds really good right about now. So you'll be seeing reviews of this soon. All right, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.